I tried doing a little polishing just to see how well this is gonna come out. So you can see that one, I've been going at it for a little bit. It's quite different than that one now. But this pad is the most aggressive. I got a bunch of like two sets of these. Wrote on them what they are because I have no idea which one's what. I went ahead and cleaned the, what do you call it? Not the glass, the plastic with the glass cleaner. I tried this one first, but that didn't really cut much. So, and then I was using this pad, so that didn't work too well. Now I'm trying this one, the Ultimate. They're both the same brand. This is for paint, but this one seems to work a little better. But if you look close, I still have this sort of. Let me see if I can get a good shot here. There we go. There's still that clear that I guess was put on there at one point. So this is definitely gonna need to be sanded, from what I can tell on both, because going with this one is gonna take forever. If I, it'll probably work, but I want to just do something very soft, not too aggressive to start, just to kind of get a feel for it. But definitely there's that clear, so it hasn't completely come out. It was already there. It was a little more clear here, as you can see. It does help, but I think these are better for the finishing once you get it nice and smooth with, I don't know, 100,000 or whatever. Something very fine. But I'm just testing, trying to go slow here so that I don't scratch him or make him worse. But yeah, just a couple of things here. Regular drill, so you can see nothing special. So I just thought I'd try this tonight. But there you go. Um, Slowly getting there.